Theivanai Ammal College for Women. Learn, live and lead.
Warm welcome to everyone. I am Prema, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. Today we are discussing about hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are organic compounds that are entirely made up of two kinds of atoms. One is carbon, another one is hydrogen. So carbon and hydrogen combine to form hydrocarbons. These are colorless gases and that have very weak odor. We can't identify it with the smell. Okay, and these are obtained from petroleum, natural gas and coal. These are primarily used as a fuel. For example, liquefied mixture of propane and butane is used as a commercial fuel purpose in the form of liquefied petroleum gas. We are using as a cooking gas in our home, that is LPG. LPG is a liquefied petroleum gas. And benzene is the simplest aromatic hydrocarbons. These are used as the synthesis of synthetic organic drugs. And the existence of hydrocarbons are seen in plants and trees. For example, carotenes. Carotenes are found in green leaves and carrots. Chapter on hydrocarbons deals with the study of classification and structure of hydrocarbons. First we will see classification of hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are classified into two types. What are they? One is aliphatic hydrocarbons. Another one is aromatic hydrocarbons. These aliphatic hydrocarbons are further classified into two. One is saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. Another one is unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. These aromatic hydrocarbons are otherwise known as arenes. The best example for aromatic hydrocarbons is benzene. You know the formula for benzene is, the structure for benzene is this. This is the structure for benzene. Okay. Okay, now we will see saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes and cycloalkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkenes and alkynes. Okay, first we will see alkanes. Alkanes, you know the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, and cycloalkanes having the formula CnH2n. Alkenes same formula CnH2n, but cycloalkanes are differ from alkenes. Cycloalkanes are in cyclic form. Alkenes are in linear structure. Okay, and alkynes formula is CnH2n minus 2. So these are the formulas for saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay. From this first we will see alkanes. Alkanes, you know the formula CnH2n plus 2. When n is equal to 1, we get the formula CH4. Okay, we can substitute n is equal to 1. N is the number of carbon atoms. Okay, we can substitute n is equal to 1. We get the value we get the formula CH4. CH4 means that chemical name is methane. Okay, meth is the carbon number 1 is methane, meth. Ane is the carbon-carbon single bond. This alkanes contains carbon-carbon single bond. And when N is equal to 2, we get the formula C2 H2 plus 2. So C2 H6. Okay. C2H6. Carbon number 2 means that name is eth. And carbon-carbon single bond. So N. Okay, ethane. So likewise, when N is equal to 3, we get C3H8. N is equal to 4, C4H10. When N is equal to 5, C5H12. N is equal to 6, C6H14. Okay, so this how the name is propane, butane, pentane, hexane. Likewise, we will give the name for alkanes. Okay, next one, cycloalkanes. Alkanes means that is carbon-carbon single bond. Cyclo means it has the closed ring structure. Okay, so example for cycloalkanes is cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane. Okay, and next one, alkenes. Alkenes have the formula CnH2n. Okay, when n is equal to 1, we don't have any value for alkenes, so no value. Okay, when n is equal to 2, we get the formula. Okay, we can substitute 2C2H2 into 2. We get C2H4. Okay, we have the structure for this is carbon-carbon double bond. Alkenes means carbon-carbon double bond. This ene is the word for double bond. Okay, so we know the carbon valence is 4. So it will be satisfied by 4 bonds. So this carbon is attached with another carbon with 2 double bonds. And next 2 bond is satisfied with hydrogen, because we are going to discuss about hydrocarbons. So only carbon and hydrogen only combined. So this carbon combined with only hydrogen. And another carbon also combined with hydrogen. So this will be fully satisfied. Okay, this is the structure for C2H4. This name is 2 carbon means eth is the root word. Okay, and double bond means ene. So ethene is the name of this compound. And when n is equal to 3, we get C3H2 into 3. So C3H6. We have the structure for C3 means this is the 3 carbons in linear structure. Okay, and either this position or this position having the double bond. Okay, both are same structure. So okay, we get this kind of structure. Okay, C3H6. This is alkanes. Next one, alkynes. Alkynes means contains, this compound contains carbon carbon triple bond. Okay, when n is equal to 1, it has the general formula CnH2n minus 2. Okay, when n is equal to 1, we get no valid structure. Okay, when n is equal to 2, we get the structure for this alkyne is ethine. So C2H2 minus 2, C2H2. Okay, so C triple bond C, and this bond is connected with 3 bonds with another carbon. Okay, and only one hydrogen for each carbon attached. So this is the structure for alkynes. This name is ethine. So 2 carbon means we get the parent name eth, and triple bond means YNE, ethine. So this is alkynes. I hope I have given more information regarding this topic. Thank you.